guys, what's up? Welcome back to another one of my videos. Thank you so much for coming back and clicking. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I appreciate it. That just sounds weird for me to say that. And if you're new, just subscribe down below. If you like what you see, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. I would appreciate it. Today, as you see, in this video, you're gonna see how I basically how I got this from this.
Oh my God!
This to this. Not the makeup, this is just a hair video. I got this look coming soon for you guys, so stay tuned for that. But this is strictly just how I basically installed this. Kind of transformed it as well, because it was looking quite wild before. I've had this hair for a very, very long time. Like literally I'm talking like 2, 3, maybe pushing it to 4 years, and it's still in decent quality. It's icy hair, and I really like the company a lot because the hair is popping. But yeah, and you know, the slayage, the baby hairs right there. If my thing focuses, if not, you get the drift. If you want to see how I basically installed my hair, how I got this look, how I kind of transformed her, then just keep on watching. I hope that you enjoy, and get ready. This is gonna be gone in 3, 2, 1. Boom. Okay, so this is how my head top is looking currently. I basically just have it in these twists, and I just braided it here. This isn't like a whole wig braid down. I literally just am keeping my hair in a protective style at the moment, and this is how I've been rocking her, honestly and truly, because I know it's getting to the point, like, we're in quarantine, and like, where are we going? Where I go, it's not like I don't gotta look cute. But anyways, I have this protective style and twist, and we are going to transform her. Oh my gosh, look crazy. I look like a boy. If I were a boy, just only. So I'll put her on. I put some curls in her last night. And yeah, we're gonna do it. I might speed up some of the footage, but yeah. I'm gonna try to do a little low ponytail. I don't know direction with this. Ooh. It's kind of giving me a makeup vibe. Okay. I need to redo these twists. That's why it looks so scruffy and frizzy. Because I have been maintaining them, but it's like overdue. And I just washed my hair. And for my glue, I'm taking my Got To Be spray, my free spray. I know it looks really, really tragic. But yeah, I don't need anything serious. Literally, if I put this on, it's for the day. Just gonna spray that. I'm making it a side part, and then putting my part on this side. So I'm gonna focus more so spray on this side. The hair, what I didn't mention, it's a closure. Yeah, it's just a regular closure. Now I'm just gonna take my blow dryer. And another layer. She's quite sticky. Kind of see the sheen. Yeah, I really didn't focus it on this side because, like I said, it's closure. Usually I do the whole circumference of my forehead, even if it's a closure, because I still try to press down whatever I could press down. But it's cool. I'll throw her on. Ooh, look at Betty Soup. Crazy. I'm just gonna press down the rest with my tail comb. I kind of like shift it through. My hair looks so crazy. I mean, the curls look popping though. Right now, I don't really have a part going on. Actually, no, I'm gonna do a part first. So I kind of have something going on there. See, I don't like how you can see everything there. I can make it beside that point. Try to slightly curve it a bit because I think curved parts look really nice. How has 2021 been treating you? Oh, I think someone's supposed to come to the house today. Ooh. Forgot about it. How has 2021 been treating you lately? I'm recording this on February 1st. You know, so we made it through January. How was your January? Because mine's really, because mine's ain't it. January has been a rough month. Things could be better. Some things are eye-openers. And this pandemic needs to go away. Like, I'm over it. I know everyone's over it, but like, oof, she over it. She over it. Okay, so I have it parted for the most part. I wish I can go deeper and have like more of a deep part, but based on how I constructed her, that's not happening. So that's my, like, that's where it stops. But now I'm going to check for any extra lace. As you can see, like right there, how it's lifted slightly. We're gonna take my spray and blow dry. I just repeat that process to make sure everything is laid. Okay, so I pretty much have the lace pretty much on. Like all like the residue, if you can even see that. All the extra residue that's left from it. I'm just gonna clean it up with some rubbing alcohol. Just wipe that away. Now we going to our baby hairs and bring her even more to life. And I'm gonna take out the little hairs I have along here. I mean, from what you could see, could not see, I pulled out my baby hairs. I already pre-cut some of this obviously before, considering how many times I've worn it, but every time I do pull out the hairs, I do get an extra few strands. So I'm just gonna razor that away. And yeah, I'm not plucking this hair. Yeah, it's not gonna look, you know, we're gonna do our best with it. Because no one has time for plucking. No. I'm gonna cut it even more shorter. Okay, so I have my baby hairs in place. Do a little sideburn, you know what I'm saying? I know some of it looks quite harsh right now, but what I like to do sometimes is do the baby hairs, press it down, let it set, and then once it sets, kind of brush it out a bit. But this is how we looking so far. And I'm just gonna tie it down. Don't have any sonic wraps, so bandana's gonna have to do for now. And now we are going to style the rest. So I don't have a hot comb, as I mentioned before in one of my previous videos. So what I use to press my hair down is a wand. So I'm gonna comb everything how I want it, kind of in place first. And then what I find helps, I also don't have a glue stick. So if you just take some hairspray, so I'm using the Gatsby, put it in my hand, just a little bit, and kind of use that to help flatten any flyaways. And then when you press this on top, just works nicely. Seems like it does work. It's just more time consuming.
Go grab the store, throw down the smoke. They tell me to quit, don't listen what I'm told. They help me forget that this world is so cold. I don't even know what I'm chasing no more. Tell me what I want, just keep searching on. It's never enough, cup after cup, blunt after blunt. I wouldn't get one if I could find a flaw. In the car, and I put it on my mama. And my bitch.
I like to also take some mousse again, just a bit, put it all over my hands and just really use that to press down even more. And of course, we need some concealer for our parts.
Man, I just wanna go fast, hold on my teeth and on my neck. And I'm stone cold with the flex, I'm so hot.
Okay, so I pretty much laid down everything that I needed to. I'm so sorry for my lighting. I feel like you can't see me. I'm basically just gonna take this off and just do like little detail final touches. And I'll be right back. Oh my gosh, this alarm is rude. Okay, and this is the final look with the curls all combed out. Like I said, I kind of brushed out my baby hairs to soften them just a little bit because I don't like when they look too harsh. This is how I cheat to make it look like a lace front. This is how you cheat it with a closure. That's how I do it. I find it easier to do something like this with the side part than a middle part, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed my video. Hope you took something away from it. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. This is it. This is her. Girl's feeling herself. Anywho, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I will see you in my next video. And like I said, this look now is coming soon. So make sure you stay tuned. And yeah, see you guys.